Hi guys, so this video is about creating PayPal account. So if you don't have PayPal account yet, so this is the first step that you need to do. So go to paypal.com and then go to sign up. So there's two choices, personal or business account. So for freelancer, you can just use your you can just choose personal account and then click next. So yeah, may drop down na choices dito. Online shopper, individual seller, or freelancer, both of the above. I'm not sure. So, kayo, kung ginagamit nyo siya for shopping, then choose the third option. Pero kung hindi naman, just for freelancing lang talaga siya, then you can just choose the second option. And then next. And then make sure that you enter your mobile number. So, lagay nyo lang yung mobile number nyo dyan, yung ginagamit nyo. And then, I believe there will be a text message, parang one-time, parang code or authentication code na isa-send sa phone, sa cell phone number nyo. And then, you will be asked to register. Um, I have an account na kasi with PayPal, pero let's see, let's try. 0995. And so, code sent to this number. So, hintayin natin kung may magte-text. So, may magte-text ng security code. So, pasok nyo lang. Ayan. And then, you need to set up your profile. So, your email address, make sure na hindi ito yung mga dummy account or dummy email address. Make sure na ito yung ginagamit nyo most of the time or especially for applying. So, any email address that you want. So, lagay nyo lang. So, let's say yung sa akin, Shane, yahoo.com. And then, for your name, make sure na yung ilalagay yung name dito sa PayPal when you register. Sorry, kasal na pala. Ayan, Shane Medina. Ayan. So, yung first name, middle name, and last name, make sure na tama yung spelling. Because you will be asked to provide I think one or two government IDs. So, kailangan meron kang um, tama yung paglagay mo ng name mo. Yung name mo with PayPal should be the same dun sa ID na ipoprovide mo. So, create ka ng password. Let's say, ito kasi dummy lang to for the sake of the training because I already have my PayPal account. So, ShaneHusni@yahoo.com. Yan. So, yung birthday nyo, lagay nyo lang yung birthday nyo dyan. So eto, identification type. So, national ID, passport, and then driver's license. So, yung lagay mo lang yung ID number mo dun sa driver's license mo. So, make sure na tama yung format. So, dapat pala day, and then month, and then year. Yon. And then yung ID number, let's say, yan. And then your address. And then agree and create account. So, before nyo i-confirm yan, make sure na Tama yung details ng birthday nyo, nationality, your identification type, the ID number, and then your address, and the zip code, and then the region. And then, check nyo lang tong terms and agreement, and then agree and create account. So, may confirmation na magsasabing your account has been created. So, yun na. So, yun na, meron ka ng PayPal account. So, get started. Yan. So, eto na. Meron ka ng PayPal. And then, i-link mo na lang yung card mo. I-link mo na lang dito yung card mo. If it's a credit card or your bank account. Make sure then na yung name nyo with PayPal is the same dun sa bank account nyo. Kasi if they are different, then magkaka-problem ka. So make sure that your ID, your PayPal account name, and then your bank account name should be the same. So pasok mo lang yung card mo dyan, yung credit card mo, or let's say yung bank account mo here. Bank name, bank code. Yung bank code, makikita mo yan. Pwede mo siyang i-google kung ano yung bank code mo. So, let's say BPI, or let's say BDO bank code. So, ito yun. Lalabas dyan. Let's say Metro Bank. Yan. So, yun yung mga list ng mga banks. So, Metro Bank. So, ito yung bank code niya. So, yun yung lalagay mo dito. And then, your account number. And then, yun. So, dapat same yung name mo. And then, link your bank. And then, that's it. And then, pag pumasok na yung sahod mo or kapag may client ka na at bibigyan ka na niya ng sahod, ang ibibigay mo lang sa kanya is yung email address na associated sa PayPal mo. So, ano ba yung, paano, dapat maalala mo kung ano yung email address na ginamit mo when you registered. So, sa akin, ito, si shanemusni@yahoo.com. Yan. So, pag pumasok na yung payment ni client sa inyo, lalabas dito yan. Usually in dollars yan. Yung ano, yung amount. So that's it for creating a PayPal account. So if you have questions, just post your questions in the comment section and then I'll see you on the next video.